Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to clean and speed up computers with CCleaner. This video is part of a suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal, or you may regularly use CCleaner to clean and speed up your home computer. Use your favourite search engine and type in CCleaner, that's CCleaner. Look for the official site or one that says www.ccleaner.com. You'll notice there's a free version and a professional version. The free version I've found is adequate. Click on the download button, then scroll down and click on the next download button and follow the instructions for installing CCleaner. And I'll start with Cleaner, which is the one up the top. You'll notice lots of items are already ticked by default. I suggest you leave those as are and be very careful ticking into the advanced section, unless you know what you're doing. Again, in the applications, there's things to tick and untick. It depends on what you're going to do with this computer, how much information you want to delete. Click Analyze. And as you can see, over 8 GB of data can be deleted on my laptop. Scroll down to check that you're prepared to delete what is shown, and then press Run Cleaner. There's a bit of a check here. If OK, press Continue. This section has been speeded up 3 times to keep the video to a reasonable length. As you can see, there's a lot of tracking files and junk have been removed. Now I will demonstrate registry. This is fairly simple. Press Scan for issues. Again, this has been speeded up about 3 times. You have the option to untick any items you want to keep, and then press Fix Selected Issues. I chose Yes in this case just to show you how to back up the registry, but normally I wouldn't bother. It's a fairly reliable program. Then I pressed Fix All Selected Issues, and then I pressed Close and exited out of the program. How to clean and speed up computers with CCleaner has been uploaded to YouTube. In the description under the YouTube video are links to other computer-related tutorials, including those in the suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal. I hope you find these interesting. Bye for now.